Hello, everybody. It's Teacher Pete here with English Learning Space. A student of ours requested this lesson about these words, these verbs. Wake or wake up or awake or awaken. What is the difference between these words? All of these verbs mean the same thing. They all mean the same thing, and you use them in the same way in every sentence. Okay? Wake up, awake, and awaken all mean the same thing. They all mean the same. Okay, so we don't say, though, we never say awaken up. We don't say, not English. Okay, what is the meaning? I think you know the meaning, right? It means to end sleep or get out of bed. Sometimes we just say get up, get up. So what is the only difference, small difference, is in formal or not formal. So wake and wake up are more common. More common. For example, she wakes at 7, but her husband wakes up later at 9. Lucky husband. She wakes up at 7, but her husband wakes up later at 9. Okay, so awake is more formal. Awake is more formal. I always awake at sunrise. I always awake at sunrise. Okay? Awaken is the most formal. The most formal. For example, she sometimes awakens too late for tennis. Oh, how formal. Okay, so another slight difference is this. Wake and wake up and awake are all irregular verbs. Irregular. So for example, we say wake, awake, woke, awoke in the past. Third form is woken or awoken. Okay. Awaken is regular verb. I say, I awakened at 7 a.m. Okay, so these words can be used for yourself, for you. For example, I wake up, she woke up, or for someone else. You can wake someone else. For example, I woke you. Or she awakened her kids. So wake myself or wake someone else. Finally, last word, one of these 4 verbs is also adjective. It is awake. Awake can be used as an adjective, usually after be. After be verb, not before noun. For example, she was awake at midnight. She was awake at midnight. Or, I'm already awake. I'm already awake. Stop yelling. Okay, here is a short little quiz. A short quiz to help you remember awake, wake up, wakened, awakened, wakened. Okay, here we go. What is the answer? Number 1. Choose the correct form of the verb. She is, but still in bed. That says number 5. Hold on. Sorry. My bad. Start over. Number one. My sister, so early. My sister, so early. If you need to, pause the video to answer. Here's the answer. Are you ready? Wakes. Wakes. My sister wakes so early. My sister wakes so early. Okay, number two. Choose the correct form of the verb. Number two. Light always her. Light always her. What is the answer? Do you know? Pause it if you need to. Here's the answer. Awakens. Awakens. Light always awakens her. Okay, number three. Are you ready? My elephant, because of a nightmare. My elephant, because of a nightmare. What's the answer? 3, 2, 1. Both are correct. It is correct to say, my elephant woke because of a nightmare, or my elephant woke up because of a nightmare. Both are correct. Number 4. She set her alarm to in the morning. She set her alarm to in the morning. What is the answer? 3, 2, 1. Awake. She set her alarm to awake in the morning. Okay, last question of our quiz. Number 5. Maybe you saw this in the beginning. She is but still in bed. She is but still in bed. And the answer? Awake. The adjective form. She is awake, but still in bed. I love to do this. I wake up very early in the morning, but I don't want to get out of bed. I stay in bed for another 3 hours. Hopefully, you do not stay in bed for 3 hours. It is not healthy. But thank you for joining us for Awake, Awaken, Wake Up, Wake. I hope now you are awake, but now it's time to go to sleep. Your homework is to please wake up one time. Just wake up one time. That's good. I hope you wake up 1 billion times. Bye, everybody. Again, this is Pete with English Learning Space. Thanks for watching our video. See you on the next one. And